Do you also struggle with remembering each and every important point while you're giving a presentation? And wouldn't it be great if you could just, watch your notes while you're presenting on Zoom? If you want to know how, just keep watching the entire video. Hello everyone, my name is Anamika Singh and welcome back to another video on BYJU's Academic Specialist. And today's video is going to be a little special because today I'm going to share a very easy peasy trick with you all so that you can, refer to your notes or the tutor doc while you're presenting. And without further ado, let's get straight into it.
Now you can see that I have opened this Zoom application on my laptop, and because I'm already logged in, that is why I'm able to see this interface. Now if you haven't logged in first, you will have to log in and then only you will be able to launch a meeting. So I'm going to launch this new meeting here. I'll maximize the tab. It still shows connecting. Okay, so now I'll turn off the video for my convenience. Okay, then I'll select this share screen button over here, which you see. Okay, click onto it. Here you can see three options: basic, advanced, and files. Okay, so you have to click onto this advanced option, and here you will see share a portion of screen. Now you need to select this. Okay, now just minimize this, and you can see here the presentation which I wanted to share is here. Now this green square you can see, so anything and everything which falls under this green square can be seen by your audience. Anything and everything which is outside the green square won't be visible to your audience. Okay, so you can resize this, and while you resize it, it will show, the square will become orange, and once you are done with resizing, it will show green. See the way I'm resizing it. Now it's green. Okay, so it perfectly fits into the image which I have to show my audience. Okay, so this is the presentation, and here I've already opened my notes. Okay, now this is not just for people who are working at BYJU, so they are presenting the presentation here, the slides, and here would be the tutor doc. Okay, this is for everyone who has to present at school or any other company or something like that. So you can, this is how you can very cleverly present your content as well as refer to your notes, because it's quite obvious that we cannot fit every point into the presentation, and it's difficult to learn the facts and everything. So you can just keep your facts and everything in the notes, so you can mention them while you are presenting. Now you must be wondering that how are we supposed to move it? Okay, like if I want to scroll down to the notes, how will I do that? So for that, you will have to every time click onto this tab. Now when I have to change the presentation, change the slide, I will have to click on this presentation tab. Okay, now I'll be able to change the slides using the keyboard. Okay, but now if I have to again scroll through my notes, I will have to click on the notes tab, and then with the help of arrow buttons, I'll be able to scroll it up and down. Okay, so you must be thinking that it's quite difficult. Yes, it is difficult initially to manage both the things and both the tabs, but it's all about practice. Once you're used to it, it'll be like very easy for you. Okay, you will be in practice and it's going to be fine. Like the first day I did it, I was actually a little nervous that how am I going to manage both the things. So I practice it thrice or 4 times, 5 times before my presentation started, so that I'm not like very naive when I'm presenting, and I did not wanted to make a mistake or maybe make a fool out of myself. Okay, so this is how you can very cleverly present as well as refer to your notes side by side. Okay, so when you're done, just stop sharing.
See, it was that easy. So if you like the video, do like the video. Don't forget to share it with your friends and with anyone and everyone who needs to know this trick. And I would love if you could give me your feedbacks in the comments below, and you could tell me what you would like to see next on my channel. And don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. I'll see you next time. Bye.